The smartest way to bet on sports is by finding value, not by guessing. OddsJam's positive expected value feature is designed to do exactly that. It scans sportsbooks, compares lines, and finds opportunities where the math says you're getting a better deal than the house. These are called positive expected value bets. On their own, they may look small, but when you keep placing them consistently, they give you a long-term edge. That's how professional bettors stay profitable, not by hitting a lucky parlay, but by stacking smart bets over time. OddsJam updates instantly when lines move, so you always see the best opportunities first. And with its built-in bet tracker, you can measure your progress and see proof that this strategy works. If you want to stop relying on luck and start using data, try OddsJam free for 7 days through the link in my description and start spotting value bets today.